Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about geometrical intersections. Here, we're ready for the new topic. Let's suppose two-dimensional shapes, like circle, square, and triangle. What happens if we rotate them? We now get sphere, cylinder, and cone. Except cube and tetrahedron, that is odd one out. But if you have rotated cube and tetrahedron, we get same way as cylinder and a cone. If the center point has shifted away from the shapes, we get a formation of torus, just like a gold ring. Take a plane to intersect them in many ways. Suppose, in a cube, when a plane is intersected parallel above the ground, or against the face of a cube, what do you observe? We get a square. If you have intersected it towards the corner of the cube and is angular, what do you observe? We get an equilateral triangle. If you have intersected it diagonally against the edge of the cube, this observes as a rectangle. Next, the tetrahedron, when the plane is intersected between the face and vertex oppositely, we get an equilateral triangle. Next, the shapes which are rotatable. Let's take sphere. When the plane is intersected on the sphere, there is only one possibility. We get a circle. Next, in a cylinder, when the plane is intersected straight, this shows it's a circle. And if it is tilted, we get an ellipse. If the plane has to intersect towards the edge in an angular way, we get a parabola. If the plane has to intersect perpendicularly to the cylinder, we see a pair of parallel lines. Either a square or rectangle can be seen by elongating its length of a cylinder. Next, the cone, there can be of many ways. If the plane has to intersect parallel to the cone, what do you observe? We see a circle. And if it is tilted, we get an ellipse. If the plane has to intersect the tip of a cone, there is only one point, where its radius becomes 0. If the plane has to intersect the portion of a cone, what did you observe? It's a parabola, but if we make double parabola, we need another cone to make it upside down, and place over the tip of a cone. The double parabola is then called hyperbola, if the plane perpendicularly intersect, away from the tip. And, once it is intersecting on a tip perpendicularly, we call pair of intersecting lines, that you can see two triangles. And finally, the torus, we see the two circles and two ellipses as the plane intersects. That's how the intersection works. Like, comment, and subscribe now.